So I have my spinach, it's frozen. So I leave it out for a little, it's just gonna be out for a little bit so it can thaw out, not too much. You see this one's like hard rock so it bent over. I have smoked turkey. I love smoked turkey. Yeah, smoked turkey neck. I have 2 packs. And then this is the goat meat. So when I buy my meat, I season it and just put it in the freezer when I'm ready to use it. So there's my goat meat. I brought out so it can thaw out because as you can see, it's hard like a rock. And this is my cassava leaf. It's a Liberian soup. So it's a cassava leaf. So I'm gonna be making 2 different soup. I'm gonna be making cassava leaf and spinach with the smoked turkey and goat meat. But it's gonna be 2 different videos. This one gonna have its own video for the spinach, and this will have its own video for the cassava leaf. So I put a little water in the pot to steam the goat meat. This is the goat meat. It's already seasoned, and that's like thyme and parsley. You see the green stuff that's on the gut. So just a little bit water for it to steam up.
Because it just so see a lot of information. I can't see how they can't find any fault for that. The retaliation that you get a kick, you put in a, if he pays for it, then we'll just do it small, 5 years. Because it just so see a lot of information. I can't see how they can't find any fault for that. The retaliation that you get a kick, you put in a